Hi friends. Let's see XLOOKUP function in detail. We will be covering Number 1, features of XLOOKUP function, and implementation of basic formula. Number 2, how and where to use match mode using leftlookupvalue, trim function, and key code. Number 3, how to use search mode. Number 4, how to get multiple result using XLOOKUP function. Let's start with features. The XLOOKUP function searches a range, or an array, and then returns the item corresponding to the first match it finds. If no match exists, then XLOOKUP can return the closest match. The above mentioned is the formula of XLOOKUP. Lookup is what are you looking for. Lookup array is where we need to find only that particular row or column. Return array is the row or column what to return as result. These three are mandatory fields. Rest of the features are optional and as per requirement. If the result is not found, use can give any comment within the double codes to be displayed as instead of NA. Match mode specify the match type as per requirement. Likewise, search mode specify the search mode to use as per requirement. Let's start with the basic formula usage. I'm freezing the lookup array and result array, then in if not found feature, I'm giving comment as not available, instead there is no data, and selecting exact match as match mode. That's it, we have arrived with answer. The last ID was not in the lookup range, so it has taken the comment not available. Now let's see how to use match mode using leftlookupvalue. I am inserting a column for bonus amount. We have received bonus rate for 2021 and 2022. Now I am trying with 2021 data. Here our lookup array will be employee ID, which is in right side, and result array will be bonus rate, which is in left side. Note, since we are separately selecting the look array and result array, there will be no issue with the lookup value even if it is from left to right or right to left. I'm trying with formula and freezing the whole arrays. We have arrived with bonus rate as per employees. Now I'm multiplying the bonus rate with basic pay for getting bonus amount. And correcting the salary total. Let me try the bonus amount with new rate as on 2022. Here, the lookup value is basic salary and result is rates. Here you can use match mode as 1 or -1 as per requirement. I'm considering that exact result, else smaller value as result. Hence I am used -1 as my match code. Here is the bonus rate. Let's multiply this rate with basic pay. Next we'll see how to use match mode using trim function. Now I'm trying lookup value with basic formula. Due to extra space for some lookup value, we have received NA as result. So I'm using trim function with lookup value in 2 in match mode, since trim results as text character. Next, how to use match mode when we have only the first or last or middle name as lookup value. We need to use the key code, star within the double codes. Now let's check when the first name is lookup value with the key code and match mode is 2 since using text character. Now let's check when we have last name as lookup value with the key code. That's it. When to use search mode. When you have n number of lookup value and need result for first one, then use number 1, where it searches for matches from left to right or top to bottom and arrive with result. When you need result for last one, then use number -1, where it searches for matches from right to left or bottom to top and arrive with result. Here I'm checking for top southern zone result, so given 1 is my match code. Next checking for bottom southern zone result, so given -1 is my match mode. That's it. At last, let's see how to do two-way lookup or how to get multiple results. Here we have category ID as vertical lookup value and materials, quantity and amount as horizontal lookup value. Now, we need to start with vertical lookup value, freezing column alone first. Then lookup array freezing the whole. Next insert xlookupfunction for horizontal lookup value, freezing lookup value of row alone, then freezing lookup array the whole. Then selecting the whole table range and freezing the same. Enter. Hooray! Result is here. Now drag to right side, Ctrl R and drag down side, Ctrl D. Now, we have arrived with multiple result for two-way lookup value within a seconds. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more Excel videos.